Hey guys, let's check out the 2-in-1 phone Skope charging cable. Really small, goes anywhere. What's awesome is it charges Android and iOS devices. So it'll charge your iPhone and then any device that has a micro USB. Let's check it out. Pop that open. Cool. So it comes with a little key ring, so you can attach that, throw it on your keys, or wherever you might want to. And what's really cool is it's magnetic, so you can attach it to your backpack strap, or your loop on your pants, whatever you might want to attach to your backpack. When you're charging your Apple or iOS device, make sure that you're plugging this bottom side facing up. That'll make sure you get the connection you need, and then you'll just slide that into your battery bank. Just like that, you're charging. You can see there, it'll charge your Apple, iOS devices, and if you look in there, it'll charge your micro USB as well. So, cool magnetic piece. Just plug this into your USB wall outlet or your phone Skope battery bank. Plug your device in and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have questions, drop us an email, support@phoneskope.com. Or you can give us a call, 800-790-4480. You can also drop a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps us out a ton. And if you are not already, please like our Facebook and Instagram page, Twitter as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.